So this is the account opening form. Okay, so what is needed? Aadhaar card, वो तो मैं नहीं लाया. Bank proof, वो भी नहीं लाया. Financial proof, लाना था क्या? And there has been more than 100 times where I've faced this problem. But don't worry, I'm here. Mion is here with a solution. Hi, this is Shannu from Mion Technologies, and I'm going to introduce you with the Mion's account opening solution, which is not going to take more than 10 minutes. So, let's start. Step 1. Mobile verification. On this step, user needs to enter his mobile number on the screen and then click on the Send OTP button. Once the user receives the OTP on his mobile number, he needs to enter the same OTP on the screen and clicks on the Submit button. Step 2. Email verification. Here, you need to enter your email ID and then click on the Send OTP button and then enter the OTP received and then click on the Submit button. Step 3. PAN verification. Just enter your PAN ID and DOB and then click on the Submit button, and your data will be fetched with the help of the NDML API and it will be visible on your screen. Step 4. Segment and brokerage selection. On this step, you shall be able to see the segments you want to trade in future and the brokerage plan that is decided by your broker. Step 5. Aadhaar verification through DigiLocker. On this step, you need to enter your Aadhaar number and an OTP shall receive on your registered mobile number. Just click on the Proceed button and your data from the DigiLocker will be fetched directly to your KYC. Step 6. Personal details. On this step, you need to enter all your personal details that are not fetched from your DigiLocker, and you can also add a nominee of your choice. Step 7. Bank verification. On this step, you need to enter your bank details and verify your details with the help of penny drop. Step 8. Documents upload. On this step, you need to upload all your documents based on the segments you have selected and whether or not your bank was verified properly. Step 9. In-person verification. On this step, the user will be able to capture his image and location both simultaneously. The last and the final step is step 10. E-sign. On this step, the account opening PDF that is created from all the information that we have gathered in the previous 9 steps is completed. And on this step, the user will be able to sign all the pages of this document with a single click with our e-sign solution. With this, you'll find a more faster and convenient way to open your account. It is a more accurate way to fetch the data of the client and a more secure way to store that information protected within the brokerage firm. Now, this is how you are going to open your trading or Demat account with 10 steps in 10 minutes. For more content like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.